Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to enable light mode on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you've been using Discord in dark mode but want to switch things up with a brighter, cleaner look, this quick guide will walk you through the simple steps to get there. First, open your Discord app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your user settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll find a list of options on the left side. Scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open the display settings where you can customize how Discord looks. Now, under the Theme section, you'll see two main options, Dark and Light. To switch to light mode, simply click on the light option. As soon as you select it, the app's interface will instantly change to a bright and refreshing light theme. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled light mode on Discord. This new look can be easier on the eyes during the day, or if you just prefer a lighter aesthetic. Plus, switching between dark and light mode is seamless, so you can always change it back anytime you want. Remember, these steps apply to the latest Discord update on PC, so make sure your app is up to date to see the appearance settings exactly as described. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Enjoy your new light mode on Discord.